Hi, I'm Danny Ramirez from Tampa, Florida. On behalf of Expert Village, I'll be showing you how to maintain and use a drill press. Hi, right now I'm going to be talking about bits, just bits in general right now. This is your drill press, of course, but you can also use a drill. And this is all the bits you would need for basically to cut anything or drill into anything. Also, there's a good quality of bits. Like this is a better quality. You can go with a cheaper type of bit, but they're not guaranteed to last or not to break. So this is a variety of bits you can use, and like I said, you can either use the drill press for more precise drilling, or you can use a regular hand drill.